So welcome back to the Satin Experience. Thanks for tuning in. So I got some new items in that I'm excited to unbox with you. So tune in. Now, I picked these up from working with a new seller. And I've been waiting on these to come in. It took about not even a week. So I purchased these to go with my black Louis Vuitton Murakami bag. Do you guys see up close? Look at these. Yes, I haven't took the sticker off the bottom because I literally just got them, but this is what the bottom of the shoe looks like. Has the engraving, the color, smell nothing but leather. Yes, that's one shoe. Let me unbox the next one. Here's the next shoe. That's bag, paperwork, shoe. So let me take these off the box. Be right back. So I purchased these shoes thinking that they would go with this bag that I got. Now, I can wear them together. This is made out of suede here, very soft suede, and then the outside trim is made from leather. I picked these up. I thought they were so freaking cute. I'm gonna take these on my trip with me. I will be wearing a lot of flats and or gym shoes just because we are going out of town for an athletic event where we'll be gone for over the course of a week. So again, here are these. Next is an unboxing I've been waiting for. Again, you will see that the color of these shoes are actually too dark for the bag, but I'm excited for this bag. I always wanted a Noé bag with the old school drawstring in it, so be right back. And now for the reveal. I am so scared to touch this purse, y'all. So this is Louis Vuitton's anniversary Noé cream untreated cowhide leather bag. Let's get into this beauty. Isn't she gorgeous? Let me step back. Isn't she so freaking pretty? And the leather is so soft. I have not owned a bag this color before, and I'm literally scared to sit it anywhere. It is so soft. Again, very beautiful bag. It smells just like leather. Just amazing quality. Look at the stitching along the side, trim, the lock. The inside is a nice suede, and it does have the Louis Vuitton symbol on the inside. And again, drawstring, everything is made out of, again, very soft. When I tell you it's really soft, and smell it. And if you get into the handles here, you have the Louis Vuitton writing here on the gold hardware on both sides. Again, beautiful bag. I don't know if I'm going to travel with this bag. I'm debating. I really want to bring it with me, but I'm scared to get it dirty. If you guys have any recommendations on how I can protect this untreated cowhide leather, please let me know. As you can see here, it came with the LV tag. Again, amazing, great quality. But yes, I seen this bag on the LV website and I was like, I need that bag. Who's gonna buy it? Guess what? I bought it for myself. Here we go. Thanks for tuning in. Love and blessings.